Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sturdy whipped cream frosting. To begin, always use heavy cream with at least 36% milk fat. This is crucial for stability. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are thoroughly chilled before you start. This simple step significantly helps the cream whip up faster and hold its shape much better. We'll also incorporate powdered sugar and a stabilizer for that extra firmness. Once your cream and equipment are cold, start whipping on medium-high speed. Watch closely as the cream begins to thicken and form soft peaks. Then, gradually increase the speed to achieve firm peaks that hold their shape but still have a slight curl at the tip. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your beautiful frosting into a grainy mess or even butter. To ensure your whipped cream frosting stays sturdy, consider adding a stabilizer. Options include unflavored gelatin, cornstarch, or even cream of tartar. For gelatin, dissolve 1 teaspoon in 2 tablespoons of cold water, then gently warm it to fully melt before incorporating. Once your cream reaches the desired consistency, fold in your chosen stabilizer and any flavorings like vanilla extract for a delicious finish. Your sturdy whipped cream frosting is best enjoyed fresh, but you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. It's perfect for frosting cakes, cupcakes, or as a delightful topping for pies and other desserts. This versatile frosting holds its shape beautifully, making your creations look professional. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.